Hey guys, this is Coach Calvin, the interior designer with Savon Company. And listen, there's this nugget that I want to share with you guys that I thought was like so phenomenal. And I want to share it with you guys so maybe it'll inspire you as well. Um, and it when they were talking about, this is my interpretation of it, is stop trying to sell your work to people. Instead, you have to make yourself more findable for the people who are looking for your work, who already want your work. Let that sink in for a minute. Oh my God, that was so huge for me. When I heard it, I was like, it's so simple that you just think about it. Because a lot of times, as interior designers or whoever it is, whatever the product is you're selling, you're just sitting at home waiting for people to buy, or you create a website and you're waiting for people to come and purchase stuff on your website. That is the point of which you are selling yourself to just people, anyone. Here, I want to give you my business card. Here's my business card. Here's my business card. Well, a lot of times what this is talking about is making yourself more findable to the people who already want to purchase your work, who are looking for you or your work. So how are you making yourself more findable? Like for what we do show houses, we do panel discussions, we do industry events, we do, all of these things that we are putting ourselves out there so that those individuals who are looking for us, they may have a medium that they run across that they find us on. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on all of this type of stuff. And so making yourself more findable to the people who already want to purchase your work. That so makes sense. You guys, we're also at Westside Market. We just created Savon Home over there. We're selling beautiful decorative items, even like the ones you see behind us. Like we're trying to make ourselves more findable for the individuals who already want to. I want to hire an interior designer, or I need a designer to come in and just retwist this room, or we're about to have our house built and I really want a designer's perspective so that we know how the function and flow of the house should go and that type of stuff. How are we not partnering with real estate agents and those types of things so that we're inside of their Rolodexes, so we're making ourselves more findable? So that was a nugget I just wanted to share with you guys too. It doesn't make sense for you to just hold on to stuff and keep it secret. And you know what? It may benefit someone else in the world as well. So thank you guys.